Hey everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are doing very good. Today I am very excited, and the reason of my excitement is I'll be doing a get ready with me video for the first time. So I really wanted to share just a normal everyday basic look, and yeah, this will be a night look and just normal. Very casual, basic, just a 10 minutes makeup routine. So yeah, let's start. Okay, so now I'll moisturize my face. I'm using this one, Cetaphil. This can be easily found at any of the drugstore. This is a very important step. Before we do anything, we should very nicely, properly, deeply, we should moisturize our face. You can do it anyway. You can take it in your palms and then just warm it a little bit by rubbing like this, and you can just apply it. My skin type is combination, which means the T-zone is only oily and the rest of the skin is very dry, and my skin type is sensitive and combination. So do not forget your neck area and your ears also. Now I'll wait a little bit for the moisturizer to absorb into my skin. Then comes primer. Nykaa Prep Me Up Face Primer, which will tone, smoothen and perfect. You can use any good primer. I have two, one this one and another is this one. This one is Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Makeup Primer. This is a very essential step, and this gives a slight pinkish tint. I'll show you. This gives a slight pinkish tint to the face. And that's it, and it gives a very fresh look no matter how tired you are, but it will brighten up your face and smoothen. We all have natural pores in our face, and with age it enlarges. You can see already my face is looking fresh. Just wait for some time, let it absorb in your face, and then we'll start the next step. So the next step is a concealer. Usually I add this step, and sometimes I omit this step, and in case you want, then you can use it. So it actually depends on my mood. If I want it, then I'll use it, or else if I don't like, I'll just go for a normal BB cream. So this is LA Girl Pro Concealer. It's LA Girl Pro Conceal HD High Definition Concealer. I use in very minimal quantities. You can use it, it's a very nice product. I use it under my eyes. And sometimes we have redness. I haven't even taken out the product, I'm using it like that. Sorry, I'm making some weird faces. If you have any pimples, mark or anything, you can conceal with this one. Right now, I don't think anything much is needed, so that's it. Just quickly, I use my fingers. I don't use any makeup brush. I sanitize my fingers and then I use it. Then I will just use a very light BB cream, very minimal coverage. Again, this is Pond's BB Plus cream, very light it is, not full coverage, very minimal coverage. Do not forget your neck area. And now, this is again a very good compact powder, Maybelline Fit Me. I'll just take some excess powder and I'll just keep it over here, because here we have maximum pores, right? So wherever you have maximum pores on your face, and which is absolutely normal, there is nothing to worry about. There you can just keep you can take little bit of extra compact powder or any loose powder and you can keep it over here, and then just allow it to set for let's say 1 minute or even less than that, it would work. So, and this is a very normal everyday look, so no need to set it for too long, so let it be there. So now it has set properly in the T-zone. As you know, I have put a little bit of excess compact powder, loose powder, anything you can take. Again, this is Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Natural Beige, and yeah, it's normal to oily skin can use this. And now what I'll do, I won't take any excess powder. I'll just take my sponge and I will just dust it off like this. You saw whatever excess powder was there, I'll just dust it off from my face. In my T-zone, I have dusted it off, any excess compact powder, and now you're set and your makeup will be really long lasting, and what to say, it will give you a matte look, matte finish, and it will be very nice. Now you can take little bit extra compact, and if you, in case you want, you can put it in the area where you have not applied before. Just little bit. That's it. Please ignore my hair. I have put lots of oil in it. Do not forget your neck. That's it. Now I'll go for my eyebrows. I'll brush little bit. I'll brush my eyebrows first, little bit, and then I will apply. I'm just filling in my eyebrows. With very light hands you have to do it, otherwise you will look very odd. I always like natural look. That's it. And then I'll again brush. Oops moment. Okay, now we'll apply Lakme Iconic Kajal. Very and we are done. And then done with kajal, everything. And now, so whenever I don't apply blush on for that little red cheeks, I just use any kind of pink. This is Lakme Enrich Matte. Yeah, I just take little bit, apply it on my cheeks for that pinkish glow. Little bit on the apples of your cheeks. You instantly get that freshness. So you can see how instantly my face brightens up and gives that pink cheeks and very fresh dewy makeup look. And then for the lipstick I am using Nykaa, and the shade is Kale Smoothie. So now I'm done with my maroon lipstick, and then yeah, then it's all good now. Then I had a Lakme liner, but I'm not going to use it. I'm just keeping it very simple. And yeah, at the end, apply some nice perfume. And then please don't put oil on your hair, especially like me. But yeah, just I'll do a ponytail and I'm good to go. Just a second. Yeah, so bye bye for now, and I'm signing off. And let me know. Oops, I forgot. Let me change my earrings. So just add a nice pair of earrings to your look, and then you're good to go. Let me know how you liked it, and yeah, bye bye, see you all and love you all, and thank you for watching my video. Thanks a lot, and thank you for subscribing. Thank you for taking out your precious time to watch my video, and I love you all from the bottom of my heart.